Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by opening Power BI Desktop and signing in with the same organizational account that has list access. In the Home ribbon, choose Get Data and pick SharePoint Online List. Use the site root URL, not the list item URL, so Power BI can enumerate lists. You do this now because the connector authenticates against the site, and lists appear only when the site URL is exact. Once done, select the list you need from the navigator to begin transforming. You should immediately move into Power Query to shape the data for performance and accuracy. Expand record and table columns created by SharePoint fields so you capture the actual text, ID, or dates you need, and convert those columns to explicit types, dates, decimals, integers, because Power BI depends on types for modeling. Remove extra columns and filter out unnecessary rows before loading. This avoids list threshold issues and keeps refreshes fast. Once transformations are stable, validate a few sample rows. Now click Close and apply so Power BI loads the prepared table into your model. You will see load progress and any type conversion warnings. Build relationships to other tables using the list ID or lookup fields, set descriptive column names, and enable incremental refresh for large lists to improve refresh performance. If a load fails, check your permissions and confirm you use the site root URL. Also make sure the list isn't hitting the 5,000 item threshold. That's the key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.